What's up, y'all? It's Crystal Fox, and I'm here to share with you today a practice that has really helped me tremendously in my life. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. Hooponopono is an ancient Hawaiian forgiveness practice that can be used to work through unresolved wounds. Hooponopono is a mouthful for sure, but it's a really beautiful one. It means to make right, both with yourself and to whomever is on the other end of the proverbial cord that you are trying to reset. Maybe you're trying to work through an unresolved issue, just even with yourself. Maybe you've done something in your past that you feel tremendous guilt regarding, and you're holding that over your own head. Or you are struggling to forgive somebody, who's never even issued you an apology, essentially, which can be really tough to move through. This practice really helps heal those unresolved wounds through forgiveness and gratitude and accountability and essentially love and forgiveness. Ways to practice Hooponopono is through a meditation. You can sit down where you're essentially repeating a mantra. Hooponopono is just a series of a mantra that's repeated. It's just 4 lines. It's, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And so those lines are just continuously repeated. You can sit down and do a guided meditation on it. There are lots on YouTube. I've also created one myself. And you can envision this person that you are either seeking forgiveness from or needing to forgive. Again, it might just be yourself. It's also a really great way to connect in with your inner child. You can imagine your inner child on the other end and show love and ask your inner child for forgiveness essentially as well. It's a beautiful way to connect in so many different ways, actually. You'll sit down, do the meditation, which is a series of the mantra being repeated, and then you really set the intention to release these heavy emotions essentially and refill with more positive, loving emotions, So you can set the intention to release judgment and guilt, blame, resentment, anger even, and refill with love and gratitude, forgiveness and peace really with yourself. Forgiveness really is the bridge to peace. And so it's really important to also remember that whenever we're seeking forgiveness from someone else, we actually really just need forgiveness from ourselves and to ourselves. And it's the best gift that we can ever give to ourselves and to others, essentially. Forgiveness will set you free, for sure, if you're struggling with unresolved emotions and or wounds. And so it's a really powerful practice. It's helped me tremendously, just in regards with family members, heartbreak. My inner child, I connect in and show my inner child some love all the time, actually. It's deeply, deeply healing to the wounded inner child. It's incredible. I love it. I absolutely swear by it. And I just wanted to bring it to you today, share a little bit with you. If you're struggling with any unresolved wounds, you're struggling to move past something that's been deeply heartbreaking for you, Hooponopono can really bring love, accountability, gratitude, and forgiveness into the equation. And when that's your intention behind releasing a wound, it's really the key to set it free. It's really the key to set you free, as opposed to releasing with judgment and haste and anger and resentment. If you know about energy, you know that releasing a wound with those intentions behind it is only going to attract more of those emotions to you. We do not want to attract more judgment and anger and haste into our lives, essentially. We want love and peace and gratitude and fulfillment and being content and, curious and searching for more and being open to love. We don't want to be closed off. So Hooponopono is an amazing way it's a really practical way to move through unresolved wounds. So give it a shot and let me know what you think.